This place gives me the creeps.
Don't speak unless necessary. Voices echo and carry easily here. We don't want to alert the guards. If they detect us, they're sure to send waves of monsters after us. At that point, we're in as much trouble as Fang.
I understand all that, but...
A sneeze? Not good. Ethel, please plug Aaron's nose.
Okay.
Please, just be patient. If you sneeze, they're sure to...
Why did you sneeze?
It migrated.
It would appear we've been discovered thanks to that outburst just now.
Well, it's too late now. We'll just have to do this by force. Let's go!
Achoo! I feel so much better. Oh, I can be loud now, right? Achoo! I feel so much better.